RedMagic's next-gen gaming flagship might be one of the most powerful smartphones ever. The RedMagic 10 Ultra recently surfaced on a benchmark, with its performance outclassing even the Apple M2. The upcoming gaming smartphone managed to score 3,229 points in the single-core test and 10,300 points in the multi-core test. Nubia is set to unveil the RedMagic 10 Ultra in China on November 13, 2024, including a RedMagic 10 Pro, RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, and a top-tier RedMagic 10 Ultra model. Tipster Digital Chat Station has shared our first look at the 10 Ultra, which shows a complete redesign compared to last year's RedMagic 9 generation. The RedMagic 10 series will launch with a true full-screen experience on the front thanks to an under-display camera. It sports an OLED display from BOE, which supports a 144Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. The panel is dubbed the Woking screen. The model may have a 7-inch display and be powered by a massive 7,050 mAh battery pack and 120W wired fast charging support. RedMagic 10 Ultra equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.